Hi friends, I am Ajikumar, the English trainer from English Academy, Pathanamthitta. The topics in this Sunday batch today is about war. What is a war? And what are the outcomes of a war? What leads to war? See, war and peace. Think of war and peace. Recently, there is a conflict between Pakistan and India. Really, nowadays there is no country Pakistan. Pakistan is not രാജ്യമില്ല. Military dictatorship is there. The government and Pakistan, the nation Pakistan and their government has no role there. And the Pakistan military is really terrorist group, always associated with the terrorist group. This Pakistan army is always associated with the terrorist group, and it is like a terrorist group. When India always faces different tortures, different struggles from these type of terrorist military dictatorship, we should beware of them. We should enforce our home affairs first. Now India is developing, day by day it is developing. Our neighboring country China, using Pakistan, not Pakistan, there is no country Pakistan, using the military dictatorship combined terrorist group of Pakistan, trying to make conflicts, controversies, bombardment, killings here. Their ultimate aim is nothing but trade. Now India is going, and India is growing fast. So being as a neighboring country, China always don't like it. So China utilizing the military dictatorship and the terrorist group of the Pakistan